How do I redeem my Mastercard gift card online?
Hello viewers, in today's video, we'll discuss how to redeem your Mastercard gift card online. This can be useful when you're looking to make a purchase on the internet and you have a Mastercard gift card at hand.
What is a Mastercard gift card?
A Mastercard gift card is a type of prepaid card that can be used anywhere Mastercard is accepted, including online stores. It functions like a debit card, drawing from a pre-loaded amount instead of a bank account.
Understanding the details of your gift card.
Before you start using your Mastercard gift card, there are a few details you need to know. Card number. This is the 16-digit number found on the front of the card. Expiration date. Also located on the front of the card, your gift card will be valid until this date. CVV. This is a 3-digit security code found at the back of your card. It's typically required for online purchases.
How to redeem your gift card online.
Here are the steps you'll need to follow to redeem your gift card online. 1. Choose the items you wish to purchase in the online store and proceed to checkout. 2. Select Mastercard as your payment option. 3. Enter your card details. You'll need to provide your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and the CVV. 4. Enter your billing address. Some online stores require a billing address. If your gift card is registered to your home address, use that. If not, check the card's documentation or the issuer's website for the correct billing information. 5. Confirm the purchase. Ensure all details are correct and click on the Purchase or Submit button.
What if your purchase is more than the card's balance?
If your purchase total is more than the balance on your gift card, the transaction will likely be declined. In this case, you can split the payment. Use your Mastercard gift card for part of the purchase and another payment method for the rest. However, not all online stores allow split payments, so check their policy beforehand. We hope this video was helpful and now you can confidently redeem your Mastercard gift card online. Enjoy your shopping and don't hesitate to revisit this guide if you need a refresher. See you in the next video.